In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the quantity of products in a Xero invoice. This can be especially handy when you need to update your inventory records or correct an error in an order. We'll take you through the steps necessary to make these changes smoothly, ensuring that your records are always up to date and reflecting the correct information. To start, we need to access Xero, your accounting software platform. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Once you've successfully logged into your account, navigate to the Xero dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all things related to your business's finances. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the section labeled Products and Services. This is where your inventory is managed within Xero. Clicking on this link will take you to a detailed list of all the products and services your business offers. It's a comprehensive view that helps you keep track of what's available and what's been sold. Now find the product for which you need to change the quantity. To do this is simple. Click on the three dots next to the product name. These dots often represent more options or settings, allowing you to perform various actions related to that item. Selecting it will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit. This will take you to the product's detail page, where you can change a variety of settings related to this specific item. Not only can you update the quantity here, but you can also change the product name, select a purchase account, choose a tax rate, edit the product descriptions, adjust the sale price, determine the sales account, and specify the appropriate tax rate. Each aspect you can adjust gives you greater control over how this product is managed and represented in your inventory and financial accounts. Once you've made the necessary adjustments to the quantity and any other fields that might need updating, be sure to click on Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your changes are recorded and reflect across your Xero account, preventing any discrepancies or inaccuracies in your financial reports or inventory management. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the quantity of a product in a Xero invoice. It's a straightforward process that, once learned, makes managing and updating your product inventory efficient and effective. If you keep these steps in mind, you'll be able to ensure that your business's inventory is always accurately represented in your financials, helping you maintain clear and precise accounting records.